Hello. So today we're going to go over setting up BMC Remedy and Enterprise Alert with two-way communication. So the first thing we're going to do is open up your Enterprise Alert web portal. Go ahead and click on your System button and then the event sources. We're going to add a new event source here for the BMC Remedy. So you go ahead and click on the New Source button at the bottom. And when that comes up, we're going to choose a BMC Remedy option. Click on OK. And inside of this page, go ahead and give the connector a name for your records. Set the tenant that you wish to use the connector for. Leave it to all tenants if you want everybody to have access to it. Enter in the web service URL for your BMC Remedy instance. And then enter the username and password for that same instance. On the next type of Remedy web service, we're going to choose the custom API for Enterprise Alert. And then we want to set the date here specifically to the month, day, year, hour, minute, seconds, and then TT for the AM, PMs. We're going to go ahead and select the conditional update events enabled. This allows you to update the events whenever something changes on a ticket inside of Enterprise Alert. This allows you to send the updates to BMC Remedy. Once all that's set, go ahead and you click on your save buttons. Once all that's saved, you should have something that looks along the lines of what we have on this page here. With your name, your tenants, your service, your username and password. You have the option 2 for the custom API set. And the month, date, time is set with that TT at the end. Now, once all of that is set up, what we need to do next is download the extension files that you're going to find on this link here. So if you click on that link, you'll download the new extensions. You need to copy these files to your BMC Remedy server. Once you have those files copied to your BMC Remedy server, next we need to go ahead and install those files. So we're going to open up the BMC Remedy Developer Studio. Once your BMC Remedy Developer Studio loads, go to File and choose the Import option. Here we're going to choose the BMC Remedy Developer Studio and we're going to choose Object Definitions as that's what we're going to load in. So we're going to click on that and click on Next. Choose your BMC server in this menu option and click on the Next button. On the next screen for the import file, click on your Browse button and then browse to wherever we have the files on your BMC machine. Once there, you're going to only install one of these 3 files and you want to install the file that's the most up-to-date for the version of BMC you have installed. More than likely, that's going to be the version 18 that we have here. So you're going to want to click on that, click on Open, and then click on the Next button. Once you get to all of those options, menu options on the screen, if this is a new instance, you do not need to check the Replace Objects. However, if at any point you've already uploaded this definition file, you're going to need to click on the Replace Objects for the destination server before you click on the Finish button. Once you click on the Finish button, it'll import the Enterprise Alert definitions into your BMC Remedy instance. Now, we've already done that on our system, so I don't want to overwrite what we have, so I'm going to go ahead and cancel on this. Once that's done, you can close out of the BMC Remedy Developer Studio. You can go ahead and open up your BMC Remedy IT Service Management page. Once we're inside of here, let's go ahead and create a ticket so we can see an event come into the Enterprise Alert system. So you're going to click on Applications, scroll on down to Incident Management, and we're going to click on the New Incident button. Once the new incident page finishes loading, we can go ahead and finish creating a new ticket. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Once you have all the necessary information for your incident, go ahead and click on the Save button at the bottom. And the ticket is created. After the ticket's created, we can go ahead and go back to our Enterprise Alert. We can go to the Alerts button. And if we click on our incoming events, on the screen we'll see a Type New Event from the event source BMC Remedy with our current date and timestamps. You can create a policy from this event so you can send these events when they come in out to whatever users you need to receive the events. But this is how we allow the communication from BMC Remedy to Enterprise Alert. If you already have an alert policy created, you'll see a new event come through and get picked up by the alert policy. So if I go ahead and send in a new event, we'll see it come through here and we'll see it gets picked up by my BMC event now. So if I go back into my alert center, so we'll see this new event come through inside the alert center. So if I open up that event, we'll see here that this is sending, for my purposes, it's sending an SMS to my user. So if my user opens that SMS and acknowledges it, we'll see the acknowledgement come through on the Alert Center side. If I go back into my BMC Remedy service and refresh this ticket, you'll see that the status is now assigned, showing that the two-way communication is occurring and the ticket is being updated when the event inside of Enterprise Alert is being acknowledged.